Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming there isn't a wider Xfinity outage. Do that first so you don't chase local fixes unnecessarily. Once confirmed, power cycle the gateway. Unplug the power, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect and allow 2 to 3 minutes to reboot fully. While it reboots, inspect the coax and Ethernet cables for loose fittings or kinks and make sure wall connectors are tight. These quick actions often restore service because they clear temporary faults and re-establish upstream provisioning. Next, isolate whether the problem is Wi-Fi or upstream by connecting a laptop with an Ethernet cable directly to the gateway. This bypasses wireless variables. Run a speed test and note latency and throughput so you know if rates match your plan. Then log into the gateway's admin page to check the WAN IP, downstream/upstream signal levels, and firmware version. Out-of-range signal numbers or old firmware explain many intermittent drops. If the wired connection is fine, focus on Wi-Fi settings. To finish, update Wi-Fi SSID and password or perform a factory reset if configuration looks corrupted. This clears persistent software glitches. Once done, retest wired and wireless connections. If problems continue, open the Xfinity app or call support so they can run remote diagnostics and check provisioning. Provide them your recorded error codes and the times you saw drops. One key tip: if downstream signal levels are too low or noisy, insist on a technician visit because that physical line issue won't be resolved by settings alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.